Hi, this is Chad Hadlock from MarineMax in Clearwater, Florida. Today it's my pleasure to show you a 2019 Harris 230 Cruiser. This boat is optioned in gray with a sterling black accent. Has 150 horsepower Mercury outboard. And as you can see, this great ski tow platform. And as always on Harris, they have really nice swim boarding ladders with a double step at the top. This is a center walk-through dual helm version of the 230 Cruiser. As you can see, there are 4 loungers at the 4 corners and then dual helm seats. Inside each of these seats is ample storage. And as you can see, there is no carpeting or cloth or anything that can get wet and hold water and end up not smelling great in your boat. Plenty of cup holders, all kinds of features and options to have fun with your guests. Now the important stuff. At the helm, you'll see the Simrad Go 5 chart plotter fish finder there on the left. Next to that is the Fusion stereo system. You do have analog gauges as well. The fit and finish on this boat is second to none. The room, the space, the capacity, the power, it's really unmatched. If you have any questions on this boat, like to see it in the water or to see if it fits your family, please don't hesitate to give me a call. My number is 727-400-3799. Again, this is Chad Hadlock with MarineMax in Clearwater, Florida, wishing you a great day on the water.